Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to get a smooth playback for your timeline while you editing. You gotta start with some tweaks. You got like the first thing to do every software you create is change the option preferences. It's performance, sometimes you find like performance, preferences, sometimes it's just options. So you definitely need to tweak the settings. You got, for example, here in Sony Vegas, you need to change video dynamic RAM. This tells the software how much RAM you're gonna consume from your hardware. So it's only 200 megabytes. This is what software is just using for my entire RAM. For example, let's use 10. This is like 10 gigabytes, which is kinda a lot for Vegas Pro. And also GPU acceleration. Make sure to select your GPU. If you don't have any, you're gonna find something like Intel or something like that. Just make sure to select that. Thumbnails to show in video events. This one is kinda important. You need to keep it like this, the head. What it does, it's where you put the clip in the timeline. The thumbnails that shows on the clip, software gonna show you like 3 frames of the clip when you put it in the timeline, but only when to know what the first frame of the clip, so we know what we're working on. That's it for the performance. Now apply. So here I want to test. Look at this video right here, which is in the 4K. Yes, the default gonna be like in here. You'll probably experience some lag, it depends on your hardware. Best thing to do while you're editing is to go to draft and to put the lowest in here.
There you are.
You get like kinda smooth playback for now. Still, I want to show you some stuff. I don't know if you're familiar with Premiere Pro, but in Premiere Pro you can make proxies in somewhere else and you can link the proxies, but here it's not the same because you got a built-in proxy maker. Select those clips, create a video proxy. See, the software will choose the resolution, will choose the quality and stuff like that, and we don't want that. What we're gonna do that we're gonna go to the folder where we got our videos. We're gonna take those and cut. We're gonna make a new folder. We'll call it original. This, I'm gonna move this here, and then what we're gonna do is that, the original files, after we're gonna open conversion software. For example, I got here media encoder. There is a lot of softwares that you can use like Handbrake. We're gonna import the original files in here. And then we're gonna look for preset that is low as possible, but we still can edit on it. Go in here. For example, let's try this one. Project. There you go. After doing the proxy, as you see, like we got some black areas in here, but don't do this and change the resolution, because when you exchange with the original you will have some issues. So please just keep the size as it is. Ignore this black area in here, because later on when we change that to the original it will be full frame. As we are on the proxy, you can zoom transition between those two clips. Preview this. We are in the proxy right now. That's how you can switch to the original, but only do this at the end of your work because it takes some effort. Project files in the proxy, we're gonna just change the name. The software will ask for the files. Let's click on specify new location or replacement file. like this. Instead of going to the proxy, we're gonna go to the original and select one, select this, open is all, and then let's see. Here we still got the same effect, but with the original files. I hope this one was helpful to you guys. See you in the next video.